Our parents might have been the people who brought us here, but at the end of the day, everything is deterministic. So within that frame, you realize that it's not actually their fault that they've created you. It's still nature, because they were forced by nature to create you. Even if they had conscious thoughts about creating you, those thoughts have been determined by nature, by physics. And so, in a way, they were just the vessel through which determinism of nature, of life, created you. They were just vessels through which the program was operated, was executed. But that determinism doesn't mean that we shouldn't correct the behavior and recognize the results for what they are: bad. Correcting bad behavior still is part of determinism and shifts the puppets of nature. So that, of course, doesn't mean we should censor ourselves just because everything's determined in the first place. And apart from that ethical viewpoint, personally, if you feel angry at your parents, remembering that can help a lot, because it puts the blame to the right place, which isn't them, but nature. And I think it's okay to feel two things at once, which is to be angry at nature and at your parents, even if it wasn't their fault. Because that's just how the world operates. You get blamed and people are angry at you if you do something wrong, even if it's within the understanding of determinism.